Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a shape to exact dimensions in Canva after their latest update. Let's dive right in and make sure your designs come out pixel perfect. First, log into Canva and open a new or existing design where you want to add and customize a shape. On the left-hand menu, click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find shapes, graphics, and other design tools. At the top of the panel, type in the word shapes. This filters the result and shows you options like squares, circles, rectangles, and more. Now, pick the shape you want. Just click and drag it onto your canvas, then release to drop it into place. Once your shape is added, you'll see resize handles on the corners and edges. Click and drag them to adjust the size. As you resize, Canva will display the width and height in real time, which helps you get precise measurements. If you need exact values, use the toolbar at the top. Enter the width and height manually for pixel perfect dimensions. And that's it. With Canva's update, resizing shapes to exact dimensions is easier than ever. Whether you're creating posts, presentations, or marketing designs, this tip will help keep your work clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.